Okay then, right. I'm in Lincoln. We're going to Safari. The train platform 4 for the LNER service, 1949. LNER service from Doncaster to Lincoln. Calling at Lincoln Central only. This train is formed of, I don't know how many trains it's formed of, but the crossing is down. As you can see, I'm screen recording. And I'm only on 18%. Oh, it's just approaching Lincoln. LNER is just approaching. And right, we're double staying. Right, thinking the crossing is still down because I don't see any barrier. Oh, up they go. Lights are out. Right. Okay, we'll look for the next train. Calling at Lincoln Central. Right. Ooh. Right, that's in platform 4 at Central. See our next movement. Right, so guys, I'm going to do the next movement. We've got the (11:12) East 0550 Felixstowe FLT to Leeds FLT. What is it? Has it passed Lincoln Central yet?
My driving lesson's been cancelled, so I'm straight home.
Can I go to Nan's?
What?
Because Nan said I could.
I didn't go to see it the weekend.
Okay, that train is now approaching Metheringham. The Felixstowe train is just now approaching Metheringham. And then it's Pelham, and then it's going to be passing the High Street. What time is it? 11:11, it's passing Pelham Street. Then it's passing at 11:12 at the High Street. So, yeah. That'll be for our next movement of the train. It's just past Sleaford. It's gone through Sleaford. It's just coming through England. Ipswich. Past.
Morning, yes. I think I'm with you now, I'm not sure. John Rose at 4:30.
Approaching.
I'm not on that day, fine. Joanne, that's lovely. Okay. That's good. A bit early, but I'm day out or something.
So guys, I'll stay screen recording until High Street goes down. Right, okay then. So when that train approaches, right, we'll go on to hang on. Platform 3B for the 10:50 East Midlands Railway service from Newark Northgate to Lincoln Central. Calling at Lincoln Central only. This train is formed of one coach. Platform 3B for the 10:50 East Midlands Railway service from Newark Northgate to Lincoln Central. The train is now approaching Highcombe, then Bootham, then West, and then Central. Okay. So, when it's 11:09, guys, right, 11:09 means the train might be approaching Pelham. Right, let's go on to back on the North Gate. Right. So then, let's go back, and then we'll go on to back onto the Felixstowe.
Is that what you're ringing for? Yeah. I'm sorry, the phone line's rubbish again. What
Train now approaching. The platform is not right. The train now approaching Lincoln Central is not for public use. Please stand well away from the platform edge of Lincoln Central's platform. High Street should be going down any moment. Where are they going? No, High Street's not going yet. She's off. She's completely broken.
I'd be looking Friday the
Right, okay. 11:09. 11:11.
Not tomorrow, no. No, unfortunately not. That's first thing at 9:30. Yeah, so 18th of October, Friday at 9:30, and that's the check-up and that broken tooth, okay? All right? Yes, all right, we'll see you then.
Okay.
Thank you. Thanks.
Right, we're going to wait for the orange light to go on. There's just some people crossing the crossing. The train now approaching High Street, the Lincoln High Street level crossing, does not stop here. Please get off the crossing before it goes down. It's 11:11. Okay. Orange light should be going on in a minute. Here she goes.
Lucas, get your voice down.
On the first two go. Down the other two go. Oh, the police have just arrived. Right, time is 11:12 on Tuesday the 24th of September 2019, and this is before our expected 0550, 437H 050 550 Felixstowe North FLT to Leeds.
What time is this?
And we're down for your East Midlands Railway service from Newark Northgate to Lincoln Central. 11:14. Right. Don't think the train's passing. I'm guessing.
Now, Jamila suggested next time I come
See you downstairs.
sit downstairs, if I'm finding it
That's
difficult.
absolutely fine. Just a signature on the front and on the back, please. Hello. Mrs. Rhodes? No, not yet. Yeah, thank you. Lucas. Let's go.
Thank you guys. See you in the next video.